Today I'm answering a lot of your questions about gallstone attacks, pancreatitis, and how to manage and reduce gallbladder challenges. And I'm going to share with you one super simple, very impactful, and highly effective remedy that you can take with some of those high-fat meals. And this also qualifies if you've had your gallbladder removed. With my clinical patients, I have found that one of the most impactful additions to their everyday lives for those who suffer from gallbladder challenges is adding, this is an awesome supplement that you can take right before meals. Lypo Gold specifically targets eradicating the buildup of cholesterol that ends up mingling with bile and bilirubin and ultimately causes the formation of gallstones. Through this, we're also addressing some of the bile duct obstructions that can occur in addition to gallstone attacks. Lypo Gold is so effective, you'll notice it acting within 15 to 20 minutes after you've eaten your meal. So if you are normally a meal consumer that has stomach pains and digestive challenges, maybe even bloating and some of the GERD, that can really target turning around that experience. Most importantly, what you're doing is by consuming lipase as well as other properties that help you digest, break down, and absorb fat, you're going to notice a significant reduction in the accumulation of gallstones and gallbladder pain. Now, I want to share with you something really interesting. Most of us don't realize that about 90% of all grown adults have gallstones. It isn't until a gallstone either gets so big or we have a massive accumulation of these gallstones that you'll experience an attack. So if you experience that type of pain, adding Lypo Gold to your program is going to be really wonderful. Now, if you're interested in a specific gallbladder flush, a very acute form of pushing out these gallstones, comment down below and let me know, and I'll make sure I post a video specifically addressing that. So question of the day, how many of you experience gallstones, gallstone attacks, or even have experienced pancreatitis? Comment down below. I love hearing from you. And let me know of any other health-oriented questions you want me to answer in our videos. If you are new, welcome to our community. I hope you hit the subscribe button and the bell and get notified when we post new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.